on your entrepreneurship journey, you're gonna have to overcome fear.
Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Stevenson, Lindor, Forex trader and educator. You gotta be determined, you gotta be consistent, most importantly, you gotta be disciplined.
Yo, it's your boy Stevenson Lindor. What's up, YouTube fam? I'm back again with another video. I told you, 2021, I'm going to be on it. They're going to be consistent. I'm going to be dropping massive amount of content on this page, man. Wall Street family here, where we motivate, elevate, and make money daily. And today I'm going to be talking about how you guys can be making money consistently in the foreign exchange market. I'm talking about upwards to anywhere from $100,000 to $500,000, all depending on your account size, of course. But how you can do this daily just by simply understanding the simple concept in trading. So as always, we're going to get right into it. I'm going to share my screen. So, first and foremost, got to show love to the family, Wall Street family today. Look at that, man. We're making profits. Man, I got people all over the world, man. I got my boy Victor here all the way in Africa. He even got his students winning, man. Look at this. HFX, bomb. This is this morning, guys, today. Yes, you can make money daily. This can be you. It's real. The family is real. Look at the profits over here, man. $1,000 today. It's real, right? And of course, like I said, boom, look at the profits down there, 500 plus running. It's real, guys. It's real. It's real. You can do the same thing too. So we're going to jump right into this. And I'm going to show you how you can make money daily. Just understanding this concept right here. All right. So last night I said, everybody sell Euro USD, right? Had the sell set up, and as you guys can see right now, it's pretty much playing out, right? Little pullback there, but it's playing out. Now, you see what I said right there? Watch for BOS basically means watch for a break of structure. All right, guys? Now, before you get in a trade, the first thing you need to understand, matter of fact, let me cover all of this. I want you guys to really understand. We're going to just look at a naked chart right here. I want you guys to understand this concept. Before you can jump in a trade, you have to understand break of structure. All right. Now, what is break of structure? Basically, break of structure is once price goes past a certain level, let's say support or resistance. All right. Once price breaks that structure and you get a retest, confirming that price is not trying to break that previous low or high, then you can get in your trade successfully, right? So look here. Notice before price went on this uptrend, notice when it came up here, notice how it broke above this level, all right? That line wasn't really straight. Let me use a horizontal line, right? Notice how the body of the candlestick closed above this structure. You got a nice retest here. Price was not trying to break that low. Then you got your continuation. See here? So this is another structure. You always know it's structure because price consolidates there, right? It's like struggling to break. Think of your support and resistance. See right here again? Boom. Notice how when price broke out, look how it came back to retest that level, right? Just understanding that simple concept will keep you in profit for years on any setup. Again, right here, I knew the sell was coming because I said to myself, once price breaks below this structure over here, we're going to have a sell, right? And think about it. Actually, I would even say this level right here. See how price is making these up and down moves, right? So it's creating structure. So notice when price broke, it came back and retest, and then you got your sell-off, all right? You gotta wait for break of structure. So many people overlook this concept. They think, oh man, I gotta use Fibonacci. I gotta, have the special indicator and everything like that. I always tell people, you have to understand what the market is doing first before you can jump into trade. All right? You have to understand what the market is doing first before you can jump into trade. So same thing. I knew USD Swiss franc was going to go for a buy, but you see this consolidation that was happening at the bottom here? I needed price to break above this structure. All right? I needed price to break above this structure. Now that price has broken above this structure, you're going to see these pullbacks happen. All right? This is a break of structure. You're going to see these pullbacks happen, and this is going to give you the opportunity that you need to jump into the market. Now, some of you guys are looking at the setup right now. I'm on the 15-minute time frame. Well, Steve, aren't you kind of late to the trade? Yes, if I would have stayed on the 15-minute. But if this happens on, let's say, the 15-minute time frame, that means the same concept I'm telling you happens on every single time frame. So watch this. I'm going to show you how basically I was able to enter a trade, right? Boom, just for proof. See right there, that's my FX Choice account. And check this out. How were you able to enter all the way at the bottom there, Steve? Well, I'll show you. Like I said, whatever happens on one time frame happens on every time frame. So look what happens when I jump all the way down to the 1 minute. Boom. That's right. You could even do this on the 1 minute. Because there's structure on every single time frame. So check this out. See, when price came to the support, before it landed there, let me erase all of this again. All right? It created this structure over here, right? Basically, you had a pullback. It came, touched the support. Now, I always tell people, you can't just buy and sell off support. You got to wait for certain confirmations before you get back in the trade. So look, once price broke above this structure area over here to the left, notice how it came back to retest. Once it came back to retest, this is my signal because price is not breaking this low for me to get into the trade. And that's how I literally get my sniper trades. Boom, there you have it. Giving away my sauce. Some of you guys are saying, well, Steve, how do you know which candle to jump into? Do I wait for wick exhaustion? Do I wait for this? And this is where now indicators, Fibonacci, whatever other tools that you use come into play. Once you figure out the structure of the market and what it's trying to do, now it's all about implementing a strategy on how to get into the trade, right? So I saw here on the smaller time frame, okay, I was getting divergence. This was getting ready to reverse. I also looked at the DXY. I saw that that was getting ready to reverse. So I said, okay, cool. Let me jump in this trade. So I had those two confirmations going for me. So now when I implement, let's say, moving averages, for example, now look, I had price crossover, came back and retest. Now I'm just waiting for price to close above my moving averages. And now look, I would have had an entry here. I could have placed either my stop loss here or to really protect myself, place my stop loss there. Why could I do that? Because I'm on the 1 minute time frame. So I'm risking no more than 2. Worst case scenario, I'm risking 8 pips. You see that? 8, 9 pips. And then I got a reward. I have a reward of over 30, 40 pips. Boom. And that's the strategy right there, guys. Right? So you gotta see if break of structure happens first before you can jump in a trade. You can never just buy or sell. All right? If you use this and incorporate it in your strategy, I promise you, you'll be a lot more consistent in your trading efforts. So hopefully this helped you out, guys. As always, comment below, subscribe, always send me a message if you need help, you need assistance. If you definitely want to get access to my community, get access to our training, our signals, just like I said, you can make money every single day. You just got to learn the rules first. So as always, Wall Street family, where we motivate, elevate, and make money daily. I'm out.